YouTube viewers. I am our influencer again, and today we are going to talk about on how to use or a different use of a Canva app. Here we go. Okay, and today let's choose to use or to make a YouTube thumbnail. There is a lot of designs that you can use for your YouTube thumbnail. Okay, you may see all these templates. Yes, and today we are going to choose. Okay, your thumbnail is about hiking, or if you do have a content like travel, you may just edit. Yeah, or if you are some kind of hiker, okay, let's choose this one. You always click the word and delete. Let's say my journey. That's it. Then if you want to edit that word or influencer, just like that. And if you finish, you may look at this, and yeah, if you like this design, you can just look that. And how about the word? Let's change it. Okay, let's put another. Okay, font size, let's choose TC Milo. Yeah, our influencer, my journey, our influencer. Okay, and the color, let's choose another color like red. Yeah, that's great. Yes, okay, that's it. And yeah, if you choose this design and then finish, you just click this download sign and you click save. Okay, and there is a lot of app that you can share that, but I choose Canva. Let's save it inside a Canva. Okay, you may use that also in Instagram post, Instagram story, Facebook cover, WhatsApp story, Twitter post, Pinterest, blog graphic, blog banner. But today we use that as a YouTube thumbnail. Okay. Yes, this is our design today that you may use for your YouTube thumbnail. Okay, that's all for today, and see you again tomorrow. Goodbye, YouTube viewers. Again, it is our influencer at your service. Bye.